So today we are going to review about this Quantum company portable speaker. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Model name is QHM690. Print rate 6999 1000. Okay, and inside it comes only. It has this card. Okay, you can buy it. So we are going to review about this. We have got these two boxes speakers. One is bass and one is speaker. This is 0.35 mm jack with USB. Yes, the controller, volume controller. Yes. So let's check how it performs in real. Okay, so it has got connected. Let's start. These are the speakers in front of you. So I'm going to play a free sound. Non-copyright music. Okay, let's check. So good. It has very good bass, and this is also spinning up. And we can regulate it from here. Increase, let's decrease it volume. It is decreasing, and let's increase. I have minimized the volume because some students are studying, or you can increase it. Just 350 rupees. So my personal review will be, you can buy it for study purpose. Basically I take classes from this. You can buy from direct link I have provided, which is very good.